What's up, YouTube? This is Android Rooting 98 here to show you how to root your Galaxy Tab 10.1. So first you're going to go ahead and download these 4 files, which are going to be in my description, and just download them to your desktop. So then we're going to go on our Galaxy Tab 10.1. You're going to go into your settings, applications, development, and then you're going to make sure USB Debugging is checked on. So once you've checked USB Debugging, you're going to go over here and go to About Device, and make sure your Android version is 3.1 or 3.2. So as you can see, mine's on 3.2, and then your model number needs to be GTP7500 or GTP7510. It will work for both model numbers. So I am on stock, not rooted. So next we're just going to plug it in with our USB cable. So you can now see it says USB Debugging is connected, and there will be a different status bar, different icon on your status bar. So once you've made sure it's connected, and once you've made sure you've downloaded these 4 files, we're just going to reboot into Odin mode, using the volume down and the power button. So just hold down the volume down and the power button until your tab reboots, and you should see 2 images. So once you see these 2 images, you can release the buttons. And then you're going to hit the right side volume key, which is the volume up key, and then press volume up again. So as you can see, we're now in Odin downloading mode. Next, we're just going to move over to the computer, and you're going to open this file right here, Odin 3 version 1.85.exe, and just hit yes on that. So once you've opened the Odin 3 program, you need to go over here and make sure there is a highlighted box over here that ensures that your Galaxy Tab is connected. So once you've made sure it's connected up there, we're going to get on here and click PDA, and then you're going to browse your desktop. Then you're going to choose the recovery-CWM 4.0.0.4 sam-tab-10.1.tar.md5, and you're just going to open that. So you can now see that I have a check next to PDA. Once you've made sure your device is connected and that there is a check next to PDA, we're just going to come up here and hit start. So once it's done, you will get a message saying pass, and your tab should have just rebooted. So now once we're booted up, we're going to make sure it's still connected to our computer. You can go ahead and exit out of the Odin 3 application we just used. And then when this message comes up, you're going to need to browse your Galaxy Tab 10.1. So I'm at the root of my tablet storage. I'm just going to come down here and drag the SamsungGalaxyTabRoot.zip. And I'm just going to put it on the root of my Galaxy Tab 10.1 storage. So once you've moved it to your Galaxy Tab, we're going to use the same procedure we did earlier. Reboot it using the volume down and the power button until you see those two pictures again. Then you can release them when you see it. And now we're going to hit the volume down key, which is the left volume key, and then the right side volume key, which is the volume up key. So you can now see we have Clockwork Mod Recovery installed, and you should see something like this. You can use the volume up and the volume down keys to scroll up and down, and then the power to select. So we're just going to go to install zip from SD card, hit the power button, choose zip from SD card, power, and then you're going to go to the SamsungGalaxyTabRoot.zip. We just moved over to our Galaxy Tab. Press the power button, and then we're going to scroll down to yes, and then hit the power button. So once that's done, you can scroll all the way down to go back, and then you can reboot system now. So once your tab's started back up, we can go into our apps up here. Once it loads, okay. And then we're going to make sure we have an app called Super User. If you do not have the Super User app, then you didn't root it right. Something must have messed up or something. So just repeat the whole process, and it should work. So that's it, guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.